Yes, it's dark sometimes when people are shoving, pushing you into the ground, and you cry in daylight, the sun in your eyes, even though you know you're not alone. And it's all been felt before. You stare through your window and wonder if there's gonna be more. It brings you down. It's like a war. You pay the price if you are born. It's the quiet desperation of a million lives gonna make you change your way. We got everything we wanted, but we got how we got it. Just can't paint it golden in any way. And the strength of all you're giving is gonna make the changes. If tomorrow's gonna bring a new day. Yeah, it brings you down. It's like a war. You pay the price if you want more. As the years go by, the show on your face, also hidden behind some door. Yeah, you made your resolutions with the will of a priest, but you're not so sure anymore. And the reasons why you're living keep changing. Every time you find a key, you find more. It brings you down. It's like a war. You pay the price if you want more. It brings you down, down. It's like a war. You pay the price if you want more. It brings you down. It's like a war. Who pays the price if you want more? What you want more for? So your time has gone. Children, watch the fools. Don't let anyone tell you what you must do. Do you like what you see? But does it make you cry? Use your imagination. Start a fire. Hear that sound?
you give me tomorrow, as long as you
Come on, y'all. Y'all so crazy. Sit us down. I gotta tell you something.
Sometimes I'm right and I can be wrong. My own beliefs are in my song. The butcher, baker, the drummer, and then makes no difference what group I'm in. One
can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Oh yes, I can make it now. The pain has gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is my rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Sunshiny day. Bright, bright, sunshiny day. I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Oh yes, I can make it now. The pain has gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is my rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright.
Great play, great play. We had like 8 shots on goal. It just barely didn't go in.
It's okay, babe.
All right, hey, I want all of those to take a knee. I'm gonna take a knee, guys. Hey, like I told y'all the other day at practice, I'm very proud of y'all. I'm very proud of how hard y'all worked this year. There's a lot of improvement, okay? It's about having fun and doing our best. Of course, it would have been nice to win, but as long as we did our best, we should be happy with ourselves, okay? We should be happy with ourselves. Let's get our hands in on 3. Let's get an early birds. All right? Y'all ready? Hands in. Anne-Marie, let's go. You're on this team. Get your hand in.
Wait,
On 3. 1, 2. Parents, let's get our parents.
Come on, parents.
What about grandparents?
Grandparents, parents, kids, brothers, sisters, cousins, husbands.
1, 2, 3.
Nice going, ladies.
Thanks, coaches. They learned a lot.
Nice going, ladies.
Parents, on Tuesday at 6:30, we'll have everybody over at the house. We got some certificates, and I'll send an email with directions and whatever we have for them.
You got your phone. You know how.
Kennedy's kind of tall. Maybe Katie can get the keys. Sophia, you can stand up. So make sure you're all in now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's the coaches?
We want to make sure we can see you.
Coaches.
Mom, can you say soccer?
What's coach? You're gonna get one for the cut with the kids first.
Straight. All right. Look straight. 1, 2, 3.
Wait a minute, girls. You gotta have the coaches here.
All right, y'all got that of the important people?
That's right. No.
We gotta get those. We gotta have one with just the stars.
All right, here we go, guys. Y'all ready?
No, not yet.
We're gonna get a big early birds. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, we got somebody else. We got one more.
I was tickling you.